Hey Internet, welcome to Study With Me series. These videos are mainly for me, but you're welcome to stick around and learn how I study, or try and study. So I'm going to try and incorporate these into my YouTube video so I can just revise and make YouTube videos at the same time. So today's lesson, well, not really lesson, but it's more like a Solid Mechanics 1 revision. So, okay, you got a UDL. What's a UDL? UDLs are Uniform Distributed Loads. They are like your forces acting on like beams and things like that. And like the load is distributed, as the D stands for. So I got two common ones. I've got the rectangular distributed load. So that's just your width times length, and your rectangle, and then that's triangle. So that's width divided by 2 times length. And also remember UDLs, they are at the half point. I'm going to assume everyone who's watching this knows solid mechanics, because there are better tutors on YouTube than me, and if you really want to learn solid mechanics, I recommend taking a solid mechanics paper at university. Conventions, right hand side. So if you're going to cut the beam, your positive shear, so V is shear, and your normal force is going to your right, and your bending moment, the M, is positive, going counterclockwise. So for left-hand convention, you've got normal going to your left, you got your positive shear force going up, and you got your positive bending moment going clockwise. Okay, this symbol here is sigma. Sigma is used for stresses in compression and in tension. So you have force divided by area, which really means it's pressure divided by area. Now you got this symbol, which is also so that's tau. That is used for shear stress, which you cut vertically down the cross section, if that makes sense. So again, pressure divided by area, and if you got double shear, then you would have double the area. So if you got stress on a plane, like on an angle, then you would use this formula. So pressure divided by area, cosine squared divided by the theta. FOS, factor of safety, so that is your yield stress divided by your allowable stress. This symbol is the thou symbol. It's used for deflection. So that's basically like your beam stretching. So how I remember this equation is the play equation, because you got PLAE. So pressure times length divided by area times the elastic modulus. It's one of those material constants that's in your textbook. And you got to remember there is a sigma version as well, where there's different lengths and different pressures and different areas, but the constant is constant. Alright, on to our epsilon. Now that is strain. Yep. Good revision for next month when I start solids 2. Okay, so you got the thou symbol again, which is just your original length minus your final length divided by your original length. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell. You can comment, but you know I'm not exactly the best at teaching. Also, I'm not going to do like problems, because the publisher will slap a 150k fine on me if I use their questions, and I don't want that. Okay, until next time, see ya.